Asanti. Na pengine kabla ya kuanza, nichukue muda huu kupeana rambirambi zangu kwa kifo cha rafiki yangu, dada yangu mkubwa, mama yangu na mtu ambaye amefanyia nchi yetu kazi kwa njia kubwa sana. Phoebe Asiyo, kwa kimombo we would say she's an icon of the women's movement and of leadership in this country. We have worked with Mama Asiyo since I entered politics, which is for more than 30 years.
Okay.
We were together in the League of Kenya Women Voters, taking engaging women for empowerment, together in the constitutional review process, creating space for women, which culminated in the gains that are there today in the constitution.
The affirmative action gains.
Yes, her work in parliament, bringing the affirmative action motion to better women's lot. You can see now we have positions for women in the counties, affirmative action for women in all public spaces. People should know that that is the work of the late Honorable Phoebe Asiyo. Her work in Karachuonyo, her work in many spaces. And she was the first African chair of the Maendeleo ya Wanawake. So she really embodies the women's movement in this country and leadership. She led with grace. May she rest in peace. And she has passed by, about the same time as Catherine Nyamato, who is again her neighbor in Nyamira, another icon of the women's movement, and the first woman to ever be in parliament from Kisii. Not to mention that Phoebe also had so many firsts. To be elected Secretary General of the Luo Council of Elders. And later to be a pioneer.
Which was a preserve
for men. Actually, there hasn't been another. I don't know whether there has been another.
She broke the glass ceiling as
Yes. She's many things which I cannot all